What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we're here at the Universal Orlando Resort for a Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. We've been living here. I know I said it in the last couple videos, but literally every single day for the last couple days we've been here. And it's not going to stop because they're testing. Indeed, that is a lighthouse, and we are here at Islands of Adventure. Does not seem busy at all. Florida winter is back. We're somewhere in the low 50s today. Emotep would be disappointed. Not a soul over here at the ticket windows. Right side for the turnstiles closed. Ones on the left are open and nobody. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through anything, and we are on our way. Wait times, let's check them out. Park is open till 6. We can see Hogwarts Express at 25 minutes. Water rides are going to be at 5 minutes or less because it's cold. Hagrid's at 60. Hulk at 20, Forbidden Journey was 15, Doctor Doom is 20, 15 for Kong, P-Flyers is 10 minutes. Yeah, not a busy day here at the park. Yep, Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and it's testing. Train lights are on also. Well, it does appear the lights on the brake run have changed colors again. Velocifishies! There you are. Must be a little cold. Lots of new trees and plants along the pathway by the bypass bridge. Well, the vehicle remains on the bypass bridge, so that means they still have some work. No new plants, bamboo, or foliage over here, but I'm expecting it to show up soon.
For the health and safety of everyone, face coverings must be worn at all times, fully covering your nose and mouth stationary. Guests that do not comply will be required to rinse often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain social distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
Boy, I tell you what, it is busy, busy, busy here at Islands of Adventure tonight. Just look at all the people. Crazy, isn't it? Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. We saw some daytime testing, we saw some nighttime testing, and they had the train lights on. New foliage and the lights on the brake run have changed colors. Of course, we're living here pretty much. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.